This video is sponsored by Tailor Brands. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the Quick Friday episode 4th. Today, we are going to design a logo, using the Tailor brand. So, let's get started. Visit the first link in the description, to get started. This is the homepage of Tailor Brands. This service is not free, but they cost only a few bucks. So it is worth checking. Anyway, for designing a logo, simply enter your brand name right here. If you have a tagline, it will go right in this section. Now hit the design button, and it will load up a new screen. Provide a few more details about your business, such as category, and a little idea about your brand. I am going to choose the coffee shop from the drop-down. Now enter a few details about your brand, such as what you provide, and your services. Click Next, and choose your logo type, such as icon-based, name-based, or initial-based. Let's go with the icon-based. The next screen will show you some icons, related to your logo category. You can choose any icon from this section. Or if required, you can search for another icon. Let's go with this one, and then click on Next. Wait for a little, and now choose a style, which suits you better. Now, after selecting the last style, it will start creating your logo right away. Hang on a little, and you are done. It took me only 2 minutes and 17 seconds, and I already like it. You can even check more designs here. If you don't like any elements, you can always customize it. So don't worry about that. I think I am going with this one. I just need to change some colors, and done. So visit the link in the description, and create your logo today.